Hey guys, welcome back to Madness Reactions. We're working on the water pump. Okay.
Must have the breaker off.
Oh, you got the breaker off. So, we've got the sink hose connected to the pump. Got a white jug with water in it. Hose down here. If all went well, should pump out into the sink. I'm gonna take myself a seat.
Can I put something under this, like a bucket, just in case?
Well, we can always yell, abort, abort. All right, so turn the pump on. We got nothing.
That's lights.
Yeah, there's the pump. That is pretty quiet. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Here it comes.
Here it comes. It's gonna go through the pump. Okay, so
Oh, that's nice.
hold on. Shut it off. Okay, we get
Curled up.
well. Not only that, it's below the pump.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
It's just curled
Pump
up.
don't seem very strong.
It is.
Oh, it is.
It's just this is curled up.
Okay.
It's
Well,
like-
once it's through the cap, we'll be able to set it just right.
all right.
Okay, let's go again. There it goes. Now we're getting the stream. Nice. We've got water, folks, in the van. We can brush our teeth, wash our face.
Pretty cool.
It's awesome. I'm glad we got a pump. And it's got a strainer in it. Nice.
Okay.
All right. Then it drained into here.
What happened?
Holy shit. Oh, your other little hose is leaking. Ha!
Where?
That one.
Told you.
We gotta cap that off. Take it off and cap up top. Nice.
I think I blew a fuse.
How?
I don't know. It's not working.
With the pump?
What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing. Turned off the faucet. What'd you do? What do you mean, what'd you do? Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Makes sense.
Why does it make sense? What's going on? So the pump comes on when you turn the water on. Right. The pump won't stay pumping.
Right.
Just when you turn the water
Now
on.
I need a towel.
Oh, well. There's one right on the banister in the house. So here we got the toilet. What was this pull thing for?
To flush.
Oh, that's to flush. Oh, that opens up the valve. Okay. And then this, you lift it to flush,
No, that's.
or to pump the water in.
Yep.
Fill the little thing with water. There, right? And then this where you fill the water. Yeah. Then this comes off. Takes this off. And then it's got this that comes out and you can pour it out in a toilet. Am I right?
Something like that.
We're only going to be using this like if we sleep in it and you have to get up in the middle of the night. Other than that, no. And it's got a gauge. Green, empty, and then it'll start changing. And then when it gets to red, you empty this part. Pretty cool. Right, honey? Yep. It's for old people night emergencies.
Interesting.
Works good. Did you switch the light off or the switch off to that? See all our lights. You put in breaker box and fuse box. So do you attach the pump to that piece of wood so it
Yeah.
doesn't vibrate?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. good. If you notice, we cut off the L shape because we want to be able to access all under the bed, and we don't want to lay in bed and have a counter all the way to here. Be able to just get in and out. So, oh, there you go. Get the rest of it. Yeah, see, it's spitting out of here. So it'll probably work even better when we cap off this one right here. We'll get more of a steady stream. I think it's empty.
I'm not sure how it worked, but
So yeah, we cut that off. So we just have that. I like it better. So that's what we've been up to. Right, baby?
yeah.
We have 2 seats now with seat belts. Ta-da. That's the old seats. Someday we'll get new luxury seats. He's got all my, listen, he's got all my wall hangings. But yeah, put covers over them. They match. It's fun to ride around in Max, isn't it?
Yeah.
We love Max. I don't know. Oh, it's Velcro. All right. I'll hang those later.
Oh man, there's like water all over.
We can't even see in the van anymore. Everywhere I point the camera, he moves. So there's Max. We're still working on it, getting it ready for summer. We're gonna put some cabinet doors in there so we can keep things underneath in baskets. It'll look pretty good. But I like the counter, the sink more like that. Right?
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye guys, see you next time.